Disclaimer: these are my rules, not the rules. Use it, improve it, or trash it. Tip 8. Sessions. How long does it take to finish a track? How can I organize into the different areas of the production process? There's a lot of ways to approach this subject, but if you can't measure the different stages, it will be hard to know if you're spending too much or too little time. Considering that a session is the amount of time you spend working on your music, each one should be short as 10 minutes or longer as 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours is considered the limit of time when a person focus ends. So, if you're more than that in front of your DAW, you're probably wasting time. The main areas to cover when creating music could be pre-production, finding the right sound, synth or presets; composition, brainstorming, creating ideas and structure; mix, mixing the track to obtain a pre-master. How many sessions every stage needs depends on you, your skill level and motivation. But as soon as you measure how long it takes to cover the areas described above, it will be much easier to see your progress in a clear way. Also, you can establish a year's production in advance because you will know how long it will take. Try some Pommodoro apps to keep track of your sessions. The Pommodoro technique is a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. It uses a kitchen timer to break work into intervals, typically 25 minutes in length, separated by short breaks. Each interval is known as a Pommodoro.